Hi, everyone. And today we want to be looking at logarithm. 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 That's the topic we are looking today. What do I call it? Logarithm. What do I call it? When you can see all this one, these are the law of logarithm. It's like indices. It's like what? Indices. You know, when you don't understand the law of logarithm, you will not be able to what? To know the what? The what? The logarithm. You will not be able to apply the logarithm perfectly. That's why you need to know to follow the law one after the other. Are you getting me now? We'll be looking at it one after the other. That you can know. Yesterday, I gave us this because other people that are far away from us, they can look at it. And you that are watching now, you know, if you are not in the class, you can able to what? To attend and to listen and to know it perfectly. That's our aim. Now, logarithm, what I call it? Logarithm. Now, the logarithm are very important in mathematics because when you are doing simultaneous equation, quadratic equation, anything equation, if you don't know the logarithm, you cannot be able to what? To tackle the question. Are you hearing me now? Are you getting me now? Now let's all start from the beginning. Now, law one saying log AA. Anytime you see they have the same number, this we call this number, and we call this what? If I write log like this, A and N, this one represent what? Number. And this one represent what? Base. What do I call it? Number what? Base. Notice that in what? In logarithm. In what? In what? Logarithm. Now, let's all move to the next one. Now, the law 1 said, this law 1, we are looking law 7 and deep example about the law. Now, when this one is, they are the same thing. The answer is what? 1. The answer is what? 1. What did they mean by that? Number 1, if I said log 8, what is the answer? When they are the same thing is what? 1. If I said what? Number log what? 2, what is the answer? 1. Notice that. That's the first thing that you need to know in what? In number base. Even if I just do it like this, number 3, log what? Log 2 and what? Log 2. And I just write 10 like this. I just write 10. And you don't see any what? Anything here. You don't see the log here is what? Is what? Base what? 10. If you don't see the base, this one is what? Base 10. Notice that. Now it is what? When they are the same thing is what? 1. Are you getting me now? Now let's all move to the next one, which is what? Law 2. What do I call it? Law 2. The law 2, we have law 2. What's log 2? Log what? Log m raised to power what? Log m raised to power p. Now, in indices, you must understand that anything you see power, this one is m raised to power what? P. M raised to power what? P. This one, the power will come at the back of the what? Log. Will now be what? P log what? M. P log what? M. The power will come at the back of the what? Of the log. Now, it will not be what? I want you to listen, please. It is very, very what? Important. Now, log what? Will now be, let's all look at the example. When we have 2, let's all do like this. 2 raised to power 5 and 2. Look at this one. Who can tell me the will now be what? This one will come to the what? At the back, yes or no? They will come at the back. It will now be what? Now be 2 log what? 2. Log 2 is what? This one is what? 5. Now, log 2 is what? Is what? It now be 5 times 1 equal to what? 5. That's it. Very simple. Yes or no? Now, let us move to the next one. Number 2. Example, when we have log 9 and 27. Look at this one. This is how you should do it. Wow, it's good. What do we do here is that you split this one with the what? Log what? This one split this one. 3 raised power what? 3 raised power what? 3 raised power 2. This one will be what? 3 raised power what? 3. Are you hearing now? All the power will go at the back of the log. Notice that. Will now be what? 3. This one at the back will now be what? 2. Log what? Log 3, 3. What is log 3, 3? What is log 3, 3, everybody? 1. Will now be what? 3 all over what? 2 times 1 is the same thing as what? 3 all over 2. In fraction, we don't allow to leave the question like this. It will now be what? 1 over 1 all over 2. You get it now? That's how the way they are doing the law. It's very simple. But most of the students, they don't know that is what? Very simple topic. The next one is what? 2, number 3. Now, when we have log what? Log 1 all over 4 and what? 2. Look at this one. 1 all over 4 and what? 2. It's still the same thing. Remember, in mathematics, when we have 1 all over 4, it's still the same thing as what? 4 minus what? 1. Do you know that? In indices, people, if you don't watch this video, if you don't know about the indices, go back, go and watch the indices and know it about the law that are saying about this. That this one is the same thing with what? This, without argument. Now, here, let us go back. We now be log what? 2, 4 raised power what? Minus 1. You can still split this one, yes or no? It now be what? Log what? 2 raised power what? 2. Bracket what? Minus 1 and 2. And this one, it be log what? 2 minus what? 2. This one and this is minus 2. Are you getting me now? Hello? This one is raised power what? 2 raised power what? Minus what? 2. Are you getting me now? What can we do here? This one raised power what? This one. Who can tell me? 1. If I write 3 like this, raised power what? 1. If I write 7 like this, raised power what? 1. Notice that. Now, this one will come I, and this one will now be what? Minus 2 all over what? 1. Log what? 2, 2. What is log 2, 2? 1. The answer is what? Minus what? 2. That's the answer. Do you get it now? We are moving to the next log, which is what? This. Please, I want you to note this one, please, and you can be able to understand it one after the other. Now, we are moving to the number. Next one is what? To the next one. Let's move to the next one. We have number 3, log m plus log what? N. A. Now, when you look at this one, in this log, look at it. In this log, this one have A, he have A. What is common in both of them? What is common? Log what? A and what? Log A. You bring it out. Log what? A. You close the bracket, write M. This one will turn to times. Times what? N. It now be what? Log what? What? A, M, N. You must be able to know that. The next one, now let's look at the example of this one. Number 1. Let's look at the example of this one. We have log 8, log 2 times 2 log 3, log 3, 2. Look at this one. This is plus. How can we do this one? They have the same what? The same log. Will now be what? What do we do? Will now be what? Log what? 2 bracket what? 8 times what? 3. When you turn this one will be what? Log what? 2 what? 24. That's the final answer. Are you getting me now? Now, the next one, number 2. Number 2. When we are solving this question, you must be able to tackle. They can give you in a different dimension like this. Log what? log 9 and 27 times log log 5 20 log 5 25. They are not the same root, yes or no? They are not the same root, yes or no? They are not the same word. This one is plus, so sorry, we are doing plus. They are not the same word, root, yes or no? The what? Here with the what? Log 3 raised power what? 3. This one, 3 raised power what? 2. I hear him now. 2 raised to power 3 is what? 9. 3 raised to power 3 is what? 27. It now be what? Do the same thing with this one. Log what? 5 raised to power 1. This one, 5 raised to power 2. Remember that anything power, you can take it at the back, yes or no? Will now be what? Take this one to the back, will now be, let us continue here. I want to clean this place. Log what? 3 log what? 3 log what? 3 what? All over what? 2. When you take this one, you go at the back, you have the 2. Take this one at the back, you have the what? Plus, what about this one? 2 all over what? 1. Log what? 5. Who can tell me the answer of this one? 3 all over 2. This one and this is 1, Abi. Plus, this one is what? 1. The same thing. Yes or no? Yes or no? It now be what? It now be what? 2 all over 1. We cannot finish this one. This is fraction. What is the LCM? 2. The LCM is what? 2. Now, let's all look at we have what is the LCM of this one now? Is what? 2. This one divided by this is what? Is what? 1 times this 3 plus this one divided by this is what? 2 times this one 4. This one plus this is what? 7 all over 2. Can we leave an answer like this? No. What do? You convert it to what? Now, this one divided by this is what? 3, 1 all over 2. Are you hearing him now? Now, the next one is what? Log AM divided by what? Log what? What? AN. Now, in this log, now, it will now be what? What is the same thing? This one is common, yes or no? It's common. What do you write? Write what? Log what? A and what? Bracket what? M. This one is minus. It will now turn to what? Division. Minus will turn to what? Division. Now be N like that. This one divided by this. See the same thing. M all over what? N. Do you know that? Now, let's all look at the example of this. Number 1, example. What am I doing now? Number 1, example. Now, number 1 example. To do this, let's all look at log 8 and 16 minus log 8 and 4. Look at this one now. How can we do this one? Just said what? The same word. Log what? 8 bracket what? 16 divided by what? 4. You can tell me the answer. Log what? 8. This one divided by this what? 4. That. Can we leave an answer like this? No. Remember, in log 1, when you can see, you can split this one, and you can still split this one. Will now be what? Will now be what? Log what? This one will be what? 2 raised to power what? 3. This one will be what? 2 raised to power what? 2. Because so this one come here will be what? 2 all over 3. Log what? What? Log what? 2. What's log 2? The same thing as what? 1. Now, please. Now, This one now will now be what? Who can tell me the answer? It will be 3 and 2 all over 3 log what? This one will be 1, abi, times 1 is the same thing as what? 2 all over 3. That's the answer. Are you hearing me now? That's the answer. What I'm doing now, that's the what? Answer. What I'm doing now, please, what am I doing now? You don't know. The next one is what? We are going to this one. The next one is what? Let's all move. Let's all, like we are, this is number 1, abi. Let's all do another one. Number 2. Log 25, 125 minus log 1000. Minus what? 1000. Who can tell me? What can we do? What can we do? Eh? What can we do? We split it, yes or no? Because we can split this one, will now be what? Will now be what? Log what? 5, 2. This one will be what? 5, 3. Do you know that? Split this one too. Log what? 10, 2. 10 times 10 is 100. 10, 1. You see the way? And everything that have power will go to at the back of the what? Will be what? 3 all over 2 log what? 5, 5. Minus 2 all over 1 log what? 10, 10. Are you getting me now? Now, log what? 10, 10. What will now happen? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Will now be what? Will now be what? 3, this one is 1 all over 2 minus 2 all over 1. What is the LCM? 2. This one will be 6. This one will be what? I think this one is 3 minus what? This one divided by this is what? 4. Who can tell me the answer? Minus 1 all over 2. That's the answer. You see now, by splitting. Now, let's all move to the next one. We are moving to this section. If you don't apply this, you'll not be able to what? To do it. If you don't know this, the what? It's still difficult for you. The reason why I'm repeating this one now, I know it. People think that you have known it. I know your score yesterday, and which is not making sense. Are you hearing me now? Hello? It's not now. I'll still give you another one. Now, the next one is what? Log what? A N A. Will now be what? Log what? 1 all over what? 1 all over log what? Will now be what? N A. That's the answer. Are you getting me now? Now, let's all move to the next one. We can see that. Now, let's all look at the example. You can see N, number 1, will now be 1 all over. Let's all look at this one. Log 8, log 8, log 8, log 2, 8, times log 2, 2, 9. 2, 32. This one now. You can do it in a 2 ways. Like this one. You can do this one in a 2 way. And how can we do that? Whether you split it, you can do it, or you convert it like this. Like what? Let us split this one with log. Log what? Split this one is what? 2 raised to power what? 3. This one, 2 raised to power 1. Times log what? 2 raised to power what? 1. And this one, 2 raised to power what? 5. Take this one will be what? 3 all over 1. Log what? 2. Times this one. 1 all over 5. Log what? 2. This one is what? Is 1, is cancelled. That's 1. 1. It will be 3 all over 1 times what? 1 all over what? 5. Equal to what? 3 all over 5. That's the answer. Are you hearing now? Now the next number 2. 1 all over 3. 1 all over 3. 1 all over log what? All over 3 times log 3 9 16 and 9. Look at this one now. Look at the board. How can we do this one? When you look at this one, you think that you cannot multiply, you don't know the step. You first look at this one. This one can change to what? This, I can take this one back to this. By taking this up and take this one what? Down. Now be what? Log what? Look at me. Will be what? 2 and 3. This one is the same thing with this. Times log what? 16 and what? 9. I can split it with the what? This one, log what? 2 raised to power what? And what? 2. And what? 3. This one, I can times this one. Log what? Log what? Oh yeah now. Log what? It be what? 2, 3 raised to power 2 and this one 2 raised to power what? 4. Yes or no? Now, it will now be what? This one now is log 2, 3, 2 times log. This one will come at the back will be 4 all over what? 2 log what? 3, 2. Now, you can tell me, now it will be log 3, 2. Times this one divided by this is what? 2. Log what? 2, 3, 2. This one and this one, they are the same thing, but it cannot cut. This one and this one, they are what? They are what? They are the same thing. If I say A times A, who can tell me the answer? A square. The same thing with this. It will now be what? First of all, what is here? At the back of this one is 1. 1 times 2 is what? 2. Now be 2. A times A will be log what? 3, 2. You close the bracket like this. Square. Because square is the one. Now, are you getting me now? That's the answer. You understand now, everybody? Now, let's move to the next one. We are moving to this one. When you look at yesterday, I'm not doing all this one. Yes or no? Are you hearing me now? That's why if I'm doing this one, I know what I'm talking about. This one again. Log NA equal to log NA. We are doing that one. We are doing this one. Log NA all over log what? NA. This one, when they have the same base, just write log what? What is the number? M and what? N. Simple as that. Let's all look at the example. Let's all look at the example. Let's all look at the example. Example of this will become log what? If I said log 3, 4, log what? 3, log 3, 32. Look at this one. How can we do this? You have already know that they have the same what? The same base. It will now be what? Log what? Log what? 4 and what? 32. Split this one. It will now be what? Log what? 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 5. It will now be what? Take this one, 2 all over 5 log what? 2, 2. Answer is what? 2 all over 5. All this one, you must know it. Part 2. It be log 5 81 all over log 5 log. Look at this one. You can tell me the answer of this. Just said what? Log what? 81 all over log 81 in what? 9. Now the log what? 3 raised power what? 4. 3 raised power what? 2. Take this one. 4 all over 2 log what? 3, 3. What is log 3, 3 is what? It be what? 4 all over 3. That's 4 all over what? 4 all over 2. And what is 4 all over 2 is what? You see now. Then move to the what? The last one. I think it's last one. Yes or no? Last one. Log A, that's N, and N. This one will now be what? Log what? Log what? A, M. Like what? All over what? Root what? All over N. Let me explain how the way this one become like this. When we have like this, notice this. In logarithm, log A, this one is the same thing as M raised power. This one is M raised power 1 all over N. You understand now? You understand? Now take this one to at the back of this one. Now we will now what? This one, if I write root like this, M, it's still the same thing as what? M 1 all over 2. But if I put N like this, it be what? 1 all over what? N. It's what is here. And it's the same thing like this. Are you getting me now? Now, when you are doing this, take this one to the back of this place. It now be what? It be 1 all over what? N log what? A M. You can do it like this. It's still the same thing. It's like this. It now be what? Yes. Now it will now become like this. You know, times is there, yes or no? And this one is fraction. This one is fraction. No. It will now be what? 1 all over N times log what? M A all over 1. So see how bad. When you now turn this one, will now be what? Log what? M A all over N. That's why they got that one. It's not that the magic. Are you getting me now? Now let's all move to the next one. The example of that. Let's all move to the next one. We have 3 log 3 root 3 27. How can we do this one? We can use this method. And we have already know the method already, yes or no? Now, we can use this method. We can know the method already, yes or no? By applying this. This one will be what? Can what? You can break it down. You can see like this, log what? 3, yes or no? Split this one is what? The same thing as 27. 1 all over what? 3, yes or no? This one, take this one at the back of this page, it will now be what? 1 all over 3 log what? 27, 3. You can still split this one, yes or no? 1 all over 3 log what? 3 raised to power what? 3 and what? 3 raised to power 1. It's still the same thing as what? 1 all over 3, take this one, times 3 all over 1. Log what? 3, 3. You understand? You understand? Now, it will now be what? This one and this is what? 3 all over 3. This one and this one and this is like this. Now be log what? 3, 3. What's the log 3, 3 is what? 3 all over 3 equal to what? 1. All this one I saw, all of them is what? 1.